It is the best Chateaubriand for 2 person. It's here, right here. Fillet steak, pepper steak, or mushroom steak, or any other steaks. They will do all the best for you just right here. It is the one of the best place in around this area, and Mr. George Clooney, he'll be happy to help you for all your needs. As you see, all the client, all the guests here, how happy they are. Nice, quiet. It's not like a fun pub. It's not like a dancing and then give you the headaches all night long. This is the way you can eat, drink, enjoy yourself. Good time.